Brian Martin, the boss man here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite holidays of all. No, we're not talking about Christmas or Easter or Thanksgiving. It's Bossman's Day. It comes around once a year, and typically I would go out on the store floor and I would pick a couple, maybe 2 or 3 hot new products to talk about. Well, I started to do that this year, and as I'm walking around, I'm thinking, why do just 3 or 4 products when we can do all of this? I think that's what makes 4 State different than some of the other shops that you may visit from time to time. Instead of just offering train horns, quarter fenders, hood ornaments, chrome for your dashboard and things like that, we've not only got those products, but the list goes on and on. Bumpers, sun visors, grills, seats, toolboxes, fenders of all shapes and sizes, light bars, LED lighting, performance products, fuel tanks, hoods, collision parts. Where do I stop? So today for Bossman's Day, we're talking about all of the products we offer here at 4 State Trucks, and folks, there's a bunch of them. So give us a call or check us out.